Grasses, including zoysia and grasslands, can be seen all over the world. They act as the lungs of our planet, absorbing carbon dioxide and pumping out oxygen. So, was zoysia grass always known for being sustainable?
The original zoysia was found in Asia and had many sustainable qualities, but it was not a long grass. And I'm not sure sustainability as a word was in common usage 70 years ago. The U.S. Department of Agriculture and the U.S. Golf Association were looking for an efficient grass to maintain nice, beautiful golf courses for their members while keeping the cost of maintaining those courses under control.
Do you use sustainable products on your farm?
We use very minimal products on our fields. Zoysia gives us the same benefits as it would anybody. Only using weed killers is necessary, maybe once a year, many years with no fertilizer needed, and no irrigation system on our Maryland farm. Rain sustains our fields.
Do homeowners look for sustainable products?
Some do. Many are looking for a way to help the environment. Most just want a good-looking yard, though. My advice is not to fight Mother Nature. That is probably the most sustainable approach they could take. As an example, thirsty grasses and hot, dry conditions means more water usage. Heavy inputs probably means the homeowner is forcing the growth. No grass is perfect for every situation. While zoysia's sustainability attributes are helpful, they can't overcome planting it in the wrong environment. Some situations, zoysia is the best choice, while in other situations, it is not the right choice.
Does zoysia require less materials to maintain growth?
Yes, particularly with things like weed killers and water. Its very deep root system allows it to stay green in the heat of summer by finding water deep in the ground. And the spreading nature and dense growth of zoysia naturally crowds out weeds and weed seeds and other grasses. For golf courses, it even helps to fill in divots. Slow growth equals less motorized mowing, and that leads to a low maintenance grass. And the lower the maintenance, the more sustainability.
Is zoysia more sustainable compared to other grasses?
All grasses help the environment to some extent, but the ones that require the least amount of ongoing maintenance are the most eco-friendly. Zoysia leads that list. Cool season grasses require lots of watering and input to stay green in summer, and some warm season grasses also require lots of water, but they might prefer more shade. I repeat, there's really no ideal grass for every situation. Zoysia remains dominant for slopes and areas of direct sunlight that are just not suitable for most grasses.
For a better ecosystem, consider planting zoysia grass.